so when you get the document, you download it and then you share it to Goodnotes, or you can just click on New here and add it in that way, find it in your files. But once you're in it, when you open it up, you can actually scroll back. Here's the beginning. So when you're on the beginning, you can click on January, February, March, and go to that month. So let's click on March. When you're in March, you can click on any of these dates here to go to that day. So if we click on March 17th, it'll go to March 17th. And when you're here on this view, you can go back to January, February, March on the left, or April, May, June on the right. So if we click on May, here's May, and if we click on May 26th, we go to May 26th. Now once you're on the date, if you want to write on it, up on the right corner where you see the little writing tool with the swirly, click on that, and then you can add text boxes, or you can use a stylus or a pen that comes with an iPad pen, or whatever goes with your device. So I'm going to click on pen here. I've got a stylus, but it's super big. It's not like a really cool pen size one, so it's kind of hard to write. But if you were to write it, you could write some notes down here like hello. It's my little note there. And then if you want to erase it, you click on the erase, you can erase. Or if you want to type in text, you can do that too. So if you just want to type in here and then type the name of the person that you checked in with, click return, and that's it. That's how you use it.